Having off platform number 4 at Grantham will be 0710-202 from train service from Boston, Nottingham. Now running 2 minutes late. 153308. Or 53308 to Nottingham. Approaching platform number 1 at Grantham will be at 0717 with Alpha 04 version train service from London King's Cross. This is the train that we always take for London King's Cross. H2206. H2206 to 91 116 to King's Cross. Platform number 4 at Grantham will be at 0724 to Sierra 5 Eastman's train service from Nottingham Skegness. 456404. Also leaving off platform 1 show 717 with Alpha 04 version train service from Eastman King's Cross. H2206 to 116. 6404 to Skegness. H2206 and 9116 to London King's Cross. Now approaching platform number 2 at Grantham will be your 0726 1 Sierra 04 version train from London King's Cross, Edinburgh. This is my train to Northallerton. Lines 1121. You again. Shall see you in Northallerton. So platform 2 at Northallerton will be your 0855 104 version train service from London King's Cross, Edinburgh. Lines 121. Nights 121 to 82. $200 to Edinburgh. Approaching platform 1 at Northallerton will be your 0856 1 Papa 23 Thursdays Penang Express service in Middlesbrough, Manchester Airport 185133. 185133 to Manchester Airport. About to pass straight through platform number 2 at Northallerton will be your 0907 Winnaco 38 cross country service in Birmingham New Street to Newcastle. Will you please get out of my way, please? Excuse me, can you move that way? Good. could not read that number, I'm afraid. Now approaching platform number 1 at Northallerton will be your 0908 1 Echo 04 version train service and Medwest on the King's Cross. Thank you. H2213. Now the pathway through platform number 1 at Northallerton will be your 0914 1 Victor 85 cross country service in Medway to Reading. We've got 21134 to Reading. Now it's pathway through platform number 2 at Northallerton will be your side delayed 0913 105 version train service in the King's Cross Edinburgh. We've got 82 to 22 to Edinburgh. Look at those sparks. Now, but to pass straight through platform number 1 at Northallerton will be your 0922 1 Victor 52 cross country service in Medway to Paynton. We've got 43378 43301 to Paynton. Approaching platform number 2 at Northallerton will be your 0929 1 Echo 62 First Transplant Express service in Liverpool line straight to Newcastle 185145. One 5145 to Newcastle. Now let's leave off platform number 2 at Northallerton will be your 0929 1 Echo 62 First Transplant Express service from Liverpool line straight to Newcastle 185445. One 85145 to Newcastle. I was passing through platform number 1 at Northallerton will be your 0938 1 Echo 5 version train service in Medway to the King's Cross. Force 26! 43295 to the King's Cross. See you later, 206. Now back to arrive on the platform number 2 at Northallerton will be your 0940 1 Papa 14 First Transplant Express service from Manchester Airport to Middlesbrough.
Your lights have changed. Got a double.
One 121. Also arriving into platform 1 is your 0943 1 Alpha 61 Grand Central service from Sutherland King's Cross. 121 to Middlesbrough. 43468. Balls 3, 468 and balls 3, 467 to Lincoln's Cross. Then receive off platform number 2 at Northallerton will be your 0940 1 Papa 14 first transparent express service in Manchester Airport to Middlesbrough 185121. Park 121 to Middlesbrough. Now about to pass straight through platform number 2 at Northallerton will be your 0949 1033 cross country service in Birmingham New Street to Edinburgh. We've got 220 to Edinburgh. Approaching platform number 1 at Northallerton 105135. But 51352 Manchester Airport, which is for your 0956 1 Papa 27 first responding express service in Middlesbrough to Manchester Airport. But to pass straight through platform number 2 at Northallerton is you 105 to Newcastle. Which is for your 10:01 Papa 16 first transparent express service in Manchester Airport to Newcastle. Now about to pass through platform number 2 at Northallerton will be your 10:06 1 Echo 42 cross country service from Birmingham New Street to Newcastle. Number 32 to Newcastle. Passing straight to platform 1 at Northallerton. H2231. H2231 to Cross.
Mayor of Newcastle at the back.
That was for your 10:10 when Echo 06 Virgin train service from Glasgow Central to Lincoln's Cross. Approaching platform number 2 at Northallerton will be your 10:45 on November 90 Grand Central service in Lincoln's Cross to Sunderland.
This is a customer announcement. Smoking is not permitted at this station.
Forty-three, 423. Horse 3423 to Sunderland. Receiving off platform number 2 at Northallerton will be a 10:45 on November 90 Grand Central Substance Kiss Cross to Sunderland. Horse 423. Ward Street 423 to 43. 465 to Sunderland. Now back to having platform number 1 at Northallerton. Will be your 10:50 1 Foxtrot 66 Transpennine Express service from Newcastle Liverpool Line Street 185 and 40. 185 and 40 to Liverpool Line Street. Now approaching platform 2 at Northallerton will be your 10:55 108 Virgin train service from King's Cross Edinburgh. Lines 1 126. Lines 1 126 to Edinburgh. Number 2 at Northallerton will be your 1055 108 version train 7 King's Cross Edinburgh, lines 1 126. Lines 1 126 to 82228 to Edinburgh.
Please stand back from the platform end. If you require any assistance, please contact station staff or the British Transport Police on 0800 40 50 40. In an emergency, please dial 999.
Straight through platform number 2 at Northallerton. 220 to Newcastle, which is the 1105 1 Echo 79 cross country service in Guildford to Newcastle. The matter on platform number 1 at Northallerton will be your 1109 1 Echo 08 version train service in Edinburgh to King's Cross. Ace 2210. To Nice Walk Road to the City of York to King's Cross. Now about to pass straight through platform number 2 at Northallerton will be your 1110 109 version train service from King's Cross to Edinburgh. That's number 2. 82 220 to Edinburgh. Passing straight through platform 1 at Northallerton is, thank you, 1139 to Penzance, which is for you 1122 1 Victor 56 cross country service from Glasgow Central to Penzance. Having off platform number 2 at Northallerton will be your 1129 1 Echo 66 Trans-Pennine Express service Liverpool line straight to Newcastle. 185 129. 185 129 to Newcastle. Passing through platform number 1 at Northallerton will be your 1120 1 Papa 33 Trans-Pennine Express service in Newcastle to Manchester Airport. 185 145. 185 145 to Manchester Airport. Now we go off platform 4 at Grantham, is your 07. They're going to be 15812, which is for your 0710 to Sierra 2 train service from Boston Nottingham. Leaving 5 minutes early. 15812 to 156473 to Nottingham. Oh no, that's not it. No, actually, that was for our heavily delayed 0631 203 Smith train service from Nottingham Skegness. Now approaching platform 4 at Grantham is your 0710 202 Eastman's train service in Boston, Nottingham 153308. One 53308 to Nottingham. Passing straight through platform number 1 at Northallerton will be your 1139 1 Echo 09 version train service in Medalworth and King's Cross. 4330. Having off platform number 2 at Northallerton will be your 1140 1 Papa 22 First Race Penal Express service from Manchester Airport to Middlesbrough 185142. To Middlesbrough. Passing straight through platform 2 at Northallerton is 2009 to Edinburgh, which is for your 1149 1037 cross country service from Plymouth to Edinburgh. Now passing straight through platform number 2 at Northallerton is 9116 206 to Edinburgh, and also arriving on platform 1 105 111 to Manchester Airport. No, not Manchester Airport. Liverpool Lime Street, which that one's for your 1151 1 Foxtrot 67 Trans-Pennine Express service from Newcastle to Liverpool Lime Street. That one was for your 1153 1010 version train service in the King's Cross, Edinburgh. Now back to arrive at the platform number 1 at Northallerton will be your 1156 1 Papa 35 Trans-Pennine Express service in Middlesbrough to Manchester Airport. Thank you. 185137. 185137 to Manchester Airport. Now about to pass straight through platform number 2 at Northallerton will be your 1202 1 Papa 24 Trans-Pennine Express service in Manchester Airport to Newcastle. 185134 to Newcastle. About to pass straight through platform number 2 at Northallerton will be your 1207 1 Echo 82 cross country service from Bournemouth to Newcastle. Couldn't read that. About to pass straight through platform number 1 at Northallerton will be your 1210 1 Echo 10 version train service from Edinburgh to King's Cross. About to pass straight through platform number 2 at Northallerton will be your 1211 1011 version train service from the King's Cross at Aberdeen. We've got 251 to Aberdeen. About to pass through platform number 2 at Northallerton will be your 1215 077 Oscar Fairlander service from Leedsbaum Road to Miller Hill. 66415. 66415 with a God knows the other numbers to Miller Hill. Now it's passing through platform number 1 at Northallerton. Will be a 1339 1 Echo 13 version train service from Inverness to Lincoln's Cross. Horse 380. Horse 380. Horse 307 to Lincoln's Cross. Now approaching platform number 2 at Northallerton is 18114. 18114 to Sunderland.
The train now approaching platform 1 is the 1351 Transpennine Express, service to Liverpool Lime Street.
That was for our Saturday 14:45 1 November 92 Grand Central service in Lincoln's Cross to Sunderland. Platform number 1 at Northallerton will be your 1351 14669 Transpennine Express service in Newcastle Liverpool Lime Street. Q 185134 185134 to Liverpool Lime Street. Now passing straight through platform number 2 at Northallerton will be your 1350 1CF41 cross country service from Plymouth to Edinburgh. 2435 2435 to Edinburgh. About to pass straight through platform number 2 at Northallerton will be your 1354 1CF15 version train service from Lincoln's Cross, Edinburgh. We've got that's 132. That's 132 to 225 to Edinburgh. Got platform number 1 at Northallerton, 18531. Focus. 18531 to Manchester. Manchester Airport, which is for 1356, 1 Papa 43, Transpennine Express service in Middlesbrough, Manchester Airport. Now passing straight through platform number 2 at Northallerton. 43211 to Inverness, which is for your 1411 1016 version train service in Lincoln's Cross to Inverness. Now let's pass straight through platform number 1 at Northallerton is thank you 2020 to Guildford and 13 to Heaton. That one's for your 1420 194 November Network Rail service from Hull to Heaton. That one was for your 1415 1 Oscar 40 cross country service from Newcastle to Guildford. Passing straight through platform 1 at Northampton. There's a train with an unreadable number. It's Northallerton, not North. Why do I keep saying Northampton? Anyway, it's for your 1422 1 Victor 62 cross country service from Glasgow Central to Plymouth. Bye. Have a good night.
That's the refurbished one.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
158. 156. Where you at?
Approaching platform number 2 at Northallerton, 43467, which is for your 1546, 193 Grand Central Subsidy across to Sunderland. Also about to pass straight through platform 2 will be a 1544, 1 Victor 96 cross country service from Newcastle Reading. To 2001, sorry, to Reading. 43468 to Sunderland. Any second now batter on platform number 1 at Northallerton will be a 1556 1 Papa 51 Transpennine Express service from Middlesbrough to Manchester Airport. This is my train to Leeds. Or for you German fans out there, taking this to Leeds Hauptbahnhof. Oh, got a Virgin train coming. We have 9130. 185151. That was the 5054 1019 Virgin train, something that was crossed over.